Hey everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited because today we're talking all things Christmas. Can you believe it's almost here? The holidays are such a special time of year and I love nothing more than getting my home decorated and ready for family and friends. There's just something so magical about twinkling lights, the smell of fresh pine, and of course spending quality time with loved ones. And whether you're hosting a big Christmas Eve dinner or just having a quiet Christmas morning at home, I'm gonna share some of my favorite tips and tricks to make your holiday extra special this year. I'm talking everything from decorating your tree and setting a festive table to creating those thoughtful personal touches that make your home feel warm and inviting. I always say the holidays are all about making memories, so let's get started. Hi, welcome to MKB Online. Christmas Day is just around the corner, and we're here to help you get ready with the best decoration and celebration ideas. Whether your style is rustic farmhouse or more modern and chic, there's a Christmas look out there for everyone. The most important thing is to make it your own, incorporate things you love, add personal touches, and don't be afraid to get creative. Today I'm going to walk you through some of my favorite ways to decorate, inside and out, and share some practical tips for planning your Christmas Day festivities. We'll explore festive centerpieces, DIY decoration ideas, and tips for making your home warm and inviting. From the tree to the table setting and everything in between, we've got you covered. So grab yourself a cup of hot cocoa, get cozy, and let's get started creating a Christmas to remember. Let's start with transforming your home into a winter wonderland. When it comes to Christmas decorating, I always say, go big or go home. I love incorporating natural elements like fresh greenery, pine cones, and berries. Think garlands draped over doorways, wreaths adorned with twinkling lights, and bowls overflowing with pine cones and ornaments. And don't be afraid to mix and match textures and finishes for a collected over time look. You can add warmth and dimension with cozy throws and pillows and festive colors and patterns. And of course, no Christmas decor is complete without twinkling lights. I love to hang string lights around windows, along mantels, and even on our staircase railing for a magical glow. Remember, the key is to create a welcoming and festive atmosphere that reflects your personal style. Now let's talk about setting a magical Christmas dining experience for your loved ones. A beautifully set table just makes the meal feel extra special, you know? I love to start with a festive tablecloth or runner, something with a little shimmer or a classic Christmas pattern. Then, layer on your finest dinnerware and silverware. Don't be afraid to bring out the good stuff. For a rustic touch, try using linen napkins tied with twine or sprigs of rosemary. And for a touch of elegance, consider adding candles and a festive centerpiece. One of my favorite centerpiece ideas is to fill a large bowl with ornaments, pine cones, and candles for a simple yet elegant look. You can also use fresh flowers, greenery, or even create a festive display with candles and Christmas figurines. Remember, the key is to create a warm and inviting atmosphere where your loved ones can gather and enjoy each other's company. Let's face it, some of the most cherished Christmas decorations are the ones we make ourselves. There's something so special about adding a personal touch to your holiday decor, and it doesn't have to be complicated. One of my favorite easy DIY decorations is to create a garland out of fresh cranberries and popcorn. Simply string cranberries and popcorn onto a length of thread or fishing line, and voila! You have a festive and fragrant garland to hang on your tree or mantle. Another fun idea is to create personalized ornaments with your family's photos. Simply print out your favorite photos, cut them into festive shapes, and attach them to plain ornaments with glue or ribbon. These DIY decorations are not only fun to make, but they also make thoughtful gifts for friends and family. So gather your supplies and let's get crafty. Now that your home is decorated to the nines, it's time to plan the perfect Christmas Day celebration. Whether you're hosting a casual gathering for close family or a full-blown Christmas feast, a little planning goes a long way. Start by creating a timeline for the day, including when you'll serve food, open presents, and enjoy festive activities. Speaking of activities, it's always fun to have a few planned to keep everyone entertained. Consider having a Christmas movie marathon, playing board games, or even organizing a gift exchange. And don't forget about the food. Planning your menu in advance will save you time and stress on Christmas Day. Choose dishes that can be prepared ahead of time, and don't be afraid to ask for help from your family and friends. Don't forget to light up the outside of your home. After all, first impressions are everything, and you want your home to sparkle and shine for all to see. String lights are a must-have for creating a magical ambiance. Wrap them around trees, line your walkways, and drape them along your porch railings. And don't forget about those classic Christmas inflatables. Whether it's Santa and his reindeer or a giant snowman, these whimsical decorations are sure to bring a smile to your face. For a touch of southern charm, consider adding a festive wreath to your front door and some potted poinsettias or evergreens to your porch. Remember, decorating the outside of your home is a chance to spread Christmas cheer to your entire neighborhood. Now for the final touches that make your Christmas truly special. It's all about those little details that create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Light candles throughout your home to create a cozy ambiance and fill the air with festive scents. Play Christmas music softly in the background to set the mood. And most importantly, create a welcoming atmosphere where your guests feel comfortable and relaxed. Offer them warm drinks like hot cocoa or cider, and have plenty of snacks on hand. Remember, Christmas is a time for making memories with loved ones, so relax, enjoy the moment, and let the festivities begin. We hope these ideas help you create a magical Christmas day filled with joy and celebration. Remember, it's not about the presents or the decorations, but about spending quality time with loved ones and creating memories that will last a lifetime. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel MKB Online for more holiday tips and inspiration. From our family to yours, we wish you a very Merry Christmas.